Shit. Hey, y'all. Oh, shoot. Hey, y'all. Welcome to another episode of The Rheeality. Today, I will be opening up another box. I think it's called an unboxing video, but I think as somebody who sits in a chair quite often for work, I needed a good chair. So what I did was I spoke with omegachair.com, and by speak with them, I went online and ordered it myself. So for $400 and something right here, we now have the box Omega Chair. Yay! So today's episode is again brought to you by Haribo. This is Happy Cola, and honestly, if Haribo does not sponsor a video, we will just keep tagging you until you do. Now, before we open up anything, it's very important to wear protective gear. We're gonna do the sides, and we open it up. Miguel, bring in the box cam. Wait, we have to assemble it? Okay. This is the base. Ooh, it's actually pretty good material. It's very thick. It's already scratched. Oh, no, it's just dust. It's just dust, don't worry. It's just dust. Oh, this is heavy. Look at this. This is the, wait, where's the instructions? I actually don't mind it because I believe that instructions are for babies. Ooh, it's the back. Put that here. What do you think this is? If you know what this is, put the comments below before Jamie answers it for us. Okay, this is the head of the chair. I'm so sweaty. Okay, this is the body of the chair. Oh my God, it's heavy. It does feel like it's good material. So we're just gonna put that here. Oh, we've got some candy. This is a very big workout. Honestly, you don't need to work out if you just wanna buy a bunch of office chairs, because this is a workout. Thanks so much, Omega Chair. Time warp. So now we have all of our ingredients. Ding! Now we have all of our parts laid out, and then we have this special little box. We've got some nuts and bolts. What is this? Wheels. Oh, and a screwdriver. Nope, it's back. We're just gonna take a 2-minute fan break. We good? Welcome back, y'all. First step, let's show the instructions in the corner of the window. First step, it's saying that I gotta put the wheels on the base, the starfish. So, oh, that's in already. Oh, that was a tight one. Woo! Step 1, complete. Step 2. Oh, this is still part of step 1. Okay, just like that. Okay, so step 2. When did they put the back in? I don't understand, they just skipped the steps again. There's an optional step. Okay, step 1, that's in. Step 2, G and E. Okay, G. Why do they make it so hard for people to use? G is this one here. This is G. So we will take out G. Oh. G. Ooh. That looks like a chair, right? Oh, got it, okay. Okay, this is also like, they don't talk about how ergonomic chairs are supposed to be for people with bad back. You're gonna pull your back just putting the chair together, honestly. All right, we have some progress here to show you. Got some progress. While I'm building, we have our crew just, snacking away because I don't pay them enough. Okay. hole in the... They gave us a screwdriver for a reason. Okay, so far, I would rate this a do not even bother. You know, if you want to just go to Staples or Office Max or whichever one decides to sponsor this video. To be honest, I just want to show, let's just show some of the, it's like scuffed in areas. I want to show this. You see that? Gross. We're doing a screw it cam. That's one of our new things. Okay. It definitely isn't even going in properly. Okay, there we go. Wait, that's it. Okay. Okay, so, ooh, this is apparently a leg rest. But it doesn't, oh! Oh, that's actually kind of nice. It's actually kind of nice. You want to try it? What do you think?
You want to spin me?
Yeah, never.
So I give this, are we doing 1 through 5? Out of a 5-star rating, I give this a 2 in assembling. I give it a 4 in comfort, and I give it a 0 in instructions. What do you think visually? Does this make me look like I will find a husband any sooner? This looks like a dentist chair a little bit. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to watch more videos like this or watch other videos of me trying to do other YouTube videos, please make sure to comment below. And I feel like I can take a nap in this though, kind of. Thank you so much for watching again, and we apologize for distracting you for 5 to 10 minutes in your workday. Thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe and comment and donate. Oh, I don't know if we're taking donations, but subscribe because I really need to pay for this chair. It was very expensive.